And Rastogi also fires 10.3, so a good start from all of them, but Chang in particular has been very good. Sobik is on screen with a 10.6 from her first shot. From Taipei fires a second one, which is under 9. Decent second shot this time around from Rastogi, 10.4. Sobik fires a 10.6 again. And Chang gets a 10.4. So after 2 shots, just a slender lead for the girl from Taipei. Third shot, a critical one, and Wu Pei Yu gets it wrong. She only fires a 7.8. This is Gadkari. She fires a 10.7. That's a good shot from her. That will get her into a good position at the end of these first 3 shots. 30.6 is a good tally. Prachi Gadkari from Maharashtra fired a 409.5 at the Junior World Championships in Germany earlier this year. Rastogi finishes with 9.8 from this first series of 3 shots. Chang fires a 10.3. So Chang Chi Jui from Taipei will be leading, 31.6. Pooja Gadkari, Prachi Gadkari, beg your pardon, is in 5th position at the moment with 30.6, and Ashi Rastogi is just 0.1 points behind her compatriot. Sobik is from Iran in 2nd position. And Chang Chi Jui with an early lead and a fairly healthy lead after the first 3 shots. 31.6 is a tally score.
With 31.6 points.
Helped no end by the first shot. 10.9. That was a fabulous return. All the first 3 shots in excess of 10 points.
With the score of 31.1. They just had a difference of 0.5.
In 4th position. She also fired a 30.8.
On the national series.
Quick confirmation of the leaderboard. The Indian girls in 4th and 5th position. Taipei leading. Iran Karizingi, who's had a good start. She is currently in 2nd position. With a terrific shot, 10.7. Gadkari gets a 10.0. 10.7 also from Sobik of Iran. 9.7 from Chang, so that will put some pressure on her. Salehi Karisangi of Iran also gets a 10.6 and a 10.5 from Rastogi. So good shooting from most of the girls. Just a little bit of a mistake from Chang, but Prachi Gadkari definitely giving herself a bit of an outside chance, even though she's currently in 6th position. Chang Chi Jui has now dropped to 3rd position. 9.7 from the first shot, still awaiting the second of the series of 3. Sobik in the meantime has fired an 8.8. Chang fires a 10.5 here. That's much better from her. Rastogi has fired a 10.1. Wu gets a 10.4 here. This is Sobik. In this particular round, she's been poor, but her third shot is a good one. 10.2 will just bring her somewhat back into contention, but she'll be disappointed with the returns from this round of firing. And in the meantime, Ashi Rastogi has fired a 10.8, so fantastic shooting from the Indian girl in lane A, which has taken her up to 2nd position. And she will stay there because Chang Chi Jui has fired a 10.8 to finish off the second round of 3 shots. So Chang Chi Jui up to 62.6. Ashi Rastogi is on 61.9. And on screen, Sobik has dropped down to 6th position. That's a disappointment. Prachi Gadkari of India, meanwhile.